Well, what drove me to the Big I 20 years ago is I was working on Capitol Hill as an insurance counsel. And so the Big I and their lobbying team got to know me well. I got to know the Big I well. I have a prior experience in the insurance market. I like to say I'm a recovering lawyer. I practice insurance defense litigation, getting in court, a lot of trial work. Once I got that insurance policy experience on Capitol Hill and working with groups like the Big I was just so impressed with their staff and their team, and got to know a lot about the membership as well. And so it was really appealing to me. As I considered next steps, the Big I came a calling. There was an opening with the government affairs team, and I couldn't turn it down. I really can relate to independent agents. The hard work, the dedication to their communities at their greatest time of need. And it's those values and hard work that my parents instilled in me and my sister. My father was a police officer, never got a 4-year college degree. Same for my mom, also went to junior college, became a realtor eventually, but they still found their way to put both my sister and me through college and put me through law school. What I've learned from independent agents as well, and seeing their hard work and their values, I'm trying to put that into practice now as the president and CEO. One of the things I like to highlight, and it always resonates, is that you feel good about who you represent. And then when people come and work for us, they always confirm that. They're always very reflective on how they have felt good about independent agents, who they've worked for, and that these have been some of the most rewarding years of their professional career. So my top priority coming in as president and CEO, it's focusing on this hard market, getting a little long in the tooth with my insurance experience. And I can say that personally, I've never seen anything like this hard market. That's so broad-based, so widespread, and this is becoming more of a nationwide issue that our members are grappling with. First and foremost, of course, it's our bread and butter is our advocacy. So that's really my number one priority right now, providing those tools for our members to get through this hard market, which unfortunately does not seem to be ending anytime soon. Well, probably the primary fact that I'd like the independent agents to know about me is that I'd like to think I'm seen as an honest broker. I'm a good listener. When I say something, I mean it, and my word is my bond. So what would I be doing if I were not Big I president and CEO? I can tell you what I would not be doing. I would not be practicing insurance defense litigation. If I see another back injury or torn knee, it'll be way too much for me. In my spare time, I volunteered for the National Down Syndrome Society. I served on the NDSS board for 9 years. My youngest has Down syndrome, and so that's been a labor of love for me. And so if I weren't working for the Big I think that I'd probably be helping out the special needs community as a staffer, after being a volunteer leader, maybe in an executive capacity or as a lobbyist, and trying to put those Capitol Hill relationships that I've developed over the years, thankfully because of the Big I's support of me, promoting and supporting the special needs community and more specifically, the Down syndrome community.